If you're considering Leadpages for your landing pages, there are a few things you should know before making a purchase. We'll cover 12 key points, comparing it to other options, and help you decide if it's the right choice for you. First up, Leadpages is known for its ease of use. Unlike some of its competitors like Unbounce or Instapage, you don't need to be a web designer to create high-converting landing pages. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it accessible for anyone. But while it's easy, it's not as customizable as some alternatives. If you're looking for more freedom to tweak designs at a granular level, you might want to consider a platform like Unbounce. The second thing to note is the range of templates available. Leadpages offers over 200 templates, which is impressive compared to many competitors. But if you're after more advanced, niche templates, you might find other platforms like Instapage or Thrive Architect offering better options. Next thing, Leadpages excels in integration with other tools. It supports over 40 integrations with email marketing software, CRMs, and more. This puts it ahead of some competitors that may not have such a wide range of integrations, making it a solid option if you're already using tools like MailChimp, Salesforce, or Zapier. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the pricing. Leadpages can seem a bit pricey compared to other platforms, especially if you're just starting out. It starts at $39 a month, which may feel steep compared to alternatives like ConvertKit or MailerLite, which offer more affordable plans. However, Leadpages justifies its cost with its features and ease of use. Next, let's talk about speed. While Leadpages pages load fairly quickly, platforms like Unbounce are specifically designed to be faster, which could be a deciding factor if speed is a priority for you. A faster load time could impact conversion rates, so if this is crucial for you, it's worth considering other options. The sixth thing is Leadpages A/B testing capabilities. This feature is available, but it's not as robust as what you'll find with competitors like Instapage. If split testing is a priority for your business, you may want to look elsewhere for more advanced options. Seventh, Leadpages has a great mobile-friendly design. Every template is responsive, which is crucial in today's mobile-driven world. However, some alternatives may offer more advanced mobile design options, especially if you're looking to customize mobile views in depth. The eighth point is its landing page analytics. Leadpages provides essential data on how your pages are performing, but other platforms like Unbounce offer deeper analytics, including more in-depth conversion tracking and heat maps. Ninth, Leadpages offers a solid 14-day free trial, which gives you enough time to test out its features. Some competitors, however, offer longer trials or even free versions with fewer features, so if you're looking to test without commitment, you may want to compare what's available. The 10th thing is the customer support. Leadpages offers great support with chat and email options, plus a community forum. However, some users find that competitors like Unbounce or Instapage offer slightly more responsive support, so keep that in mind when deciding. The 11th thing is its ability to build pop-ups and alert bars. Leadpages stands out here, offering features that many other platforms lack, helping you convert visitors even before they land on your page. And lastly, if you're after full-fledged marketing automation, you might be better off using another platform like Kartra or ActiveCampaign. While Leadpages integrates well with email marketing tools, it's not as powerful when it comes to automating your entire funnel from start to finish. So, is Leadpages a good option? Absolutely. It's easy to use, offers great templates, and integrates well with other tools. However, if you're looking for a more feature-packed and customizable solution, or if you need more advanced options like deeper analytics and faster load times, it might not be the best fit. If you want a better alternative, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.